As manufacturing progresses towards Industry 5.0, we, Jidoka Technologies, are committed to build solutions where humans and AI work together synergistically to create sustainable and resilient manufacturing systems. Presenting Nagare, our AI video analytics software for tracking actions and objects. Nagare enhances manufacturing and warehouse operations by delivering real-time actionable insights in workforce activities. By optimizing processes and ensuring compliance with best practices, we empower businesses to achieve greater efficiency and prevent errors. Instead of discovering errors after production, Nagare guides operators through each step with real-time verification, reducing rework and scrap by 35% and improving productivity by 25%. Nagare only requires commodity CCTV cameras and edge or cloud computing, making it easy to install. Nagare assists operators with digitized work instructions. We utilize machine learning and computer vision to identify and interpret objects and actions in real time. These advanced AI models analyze multiple consecutive frames to understand the context of actions. The software tracks adherence to standard operating procedures, including tracking sequence of actions and measures efficiency. Nagare is not just a tool, it is a partner in your manufacturing journey to continuously measure and improve processes and error-proofing them. Integrating Nagare into existing systems and processes is seamless. Nagare can be used for various applications. In assembly operations to ensure process compliance and correct sequence so that no defect is generated. To continuously measure cycle times at a step level to identify bottlenecks, areas of improvement. In kitting process to detect wrong packing in real time. In training academies, create AI assessment stations to qualify people based on time studies, quality and safety practices. In warehouse operations to digitally record inventory in every storage location. From AI-driven visual defect detection automations with our Compass software to AI video analytics with Nagare, we, Jidoka Technologies, offer the full suite of computer vision solutions in our platform.